Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Zoom and signing in, then go straight to your profile to find the personal meeting ID. Make sure you enable Use Personal Meeting ID when scheduling so the PMI is used every time. Set a meeting password and decide if the waiting room is required. This controls who enters without you. Also choose whether host and participants start video and audio muted, because those defaults save time once the room is open. Once done, click Start Personal Meeting or paste the PMI link into your browser to open the room. You are the host. Use host controls to admit participants, toggle security, and enable screen sharing or recording. Manage participants by renaming, muting on entry, and moving attendees to the waiting room if needed. If you expect no more guests, lock the meeting to prevent late joins. This avoids interruptions and keeps the session under your control. To finish, choose End Meeting for all or assign another host if the PMI must stay open. This preserves your personal meeting room for future use. If someone cannot hear or see, make sure they select the correct microphone, speaker, and camera in Zoom settings. Ask them to test audio and restart the app. If recurring access problems happen, reset your PMI settings in Profile, change the password, and reissue the updated link to trusted attendees.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.